Situated about 300 miles north of Las Vegas, the Great Basin National Park covers 121 square miles of eastern Nevada, and one of its most important natural resources, you guessed it, rattlesnakes.
They're kind of a top predator around here in terms of controlling small mammal populations. So a big rattlesnake could probably eat a small rabbit, chipmunks for sure, and then mice.
Which is why we must respect the rattlesnake's role in the environment, as they help keep rodent populations in check, which can benefit human health.
And in this part of the world, deer mice are carriers of some diseases, one being hantavirus. And so that's a beneficial thing for humans and for even the mice population.
That's where Meg Horner and Brian Hamilton come in, both biologists for the National Park Service. One of their primary jobs is to catch these snakes in order to take measurements and check the general health of these vital pieces of the ecosystem.
The rattlesnakes are kind of indicators of ecosystem health. So they're kind of an intermediate predator, and they feed on these rodents, these smaller animals, and they also provide prey to these bigger animals like hawks, badgers, and other things. So they're an important link in the ecosystem.
Once Meg and Brian catch these snakes, they take them back to their lab where they conduct a variety of tests to check on the health of the rattlesnake population. These tests consist of everything from checking weight and length to administering shots and other preventative measures.
Squeeze this box, this plexiglass down on it, and then trace the snake's body length. And then we'll use a string to measure this tracing, and then we'll measure the string actually.
Once the biologists are finished with their testing, the snakes are released back into their rocks and crevices to continue nurturing our precious ecosystem. So the next time you come across a snake, be cautious, but maybe say a thank you for all their hard work. Signing off from Troy, Montana for Colorado State University, this is Jason Laughlin.